respected manager sir, principal sir, honorable teacher, all my students and whoever present here. A warm welcome to all of you. Today we are gathered here for this reading competition, one of the most interesting and innovative idea. It teaches us and hopes our confidence to speak with clarity and expression. We stay updated and improve pronunciation and general awareness. So without wasting time, I would like to call our next performer, Kabir from class 8. Clap for her.
Good morning, respectful principal, teacher, and my dear friend. I am Sirun Ansari from class 8, and today I am here to present the news written for the date 14 November. Let us begin with national news. The government of India has launched a new initiative to promote digital education in rural regions, focusing on smart learning facilities. The winter session of the Parliament is expected to begin soon with several important bills to discuss. Many states across the country are preparing for board examination as reviews and exam centers are being finalized. Our new National Road Safety Awareness Drive began to encourage for safe driving. Be happy.
I would like to call our next performer, Labya from class 9, for presenting news.
सेवा में आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकों और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरा नाम हमजा है। मैं कक्षा 9 की विद्यार्थी हूँ। आज 14 नवंबर और आज की महत्वपूर्ण खबरें यहाँ हैं। चलिए सूत्रों से शुरुआत करते हैं। सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल अलीगढ़ में शैक्षणिक 2026 से 2027 के लिए नर्सरी से कक्षा 12वीं तक प्रवेश प्रारंभ। राष्ट्र बिरसा मुंडा जयंती को जनजातीय गौरव दिवस के रूप में गर्व और एकता के साथ मनाया जाता है। सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल ने 20 नवंबर को भव्य विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी की घोषणा की है। अभिभावकों को विशेष अतिथि के रूप में आमंत्रित किया गया है। वैश्विक जलवायु शिखर सम्मेलन राष्ट्रों के बीच स्वच्छ ऊर्जा सहयोग पर केंद्रित है। भारत के उत्तर भारत में ठंडी सर्दी हवाएं चल रही है। चलिए अब स्थानीय स्कूल समाचार। सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल अलीगढ़ ने नए शैक्षणिक सत्र 2026 से 2027 के लिए नर्सरी से कक्षा 12वीं तक के लिए आधारित तीन तौर पर प्रवेश शुरू कर दिए हैं। यह स्कूल अपने उत्कृष्ट शैक्षणिक मानकों, अनुशासन और मूल आधारित शिक्षण वातावरण के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमान अमित कुशवाहा ने घोषणा की है कि स्कूल को उद्देश्य नैतिक और सांस्कृतिक मूल्य से युक्त आधुनिक शिक्षा के माध्यम से
In this series of program, I would like to call our second performer, Bhavni from class 8.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Bhavni Apuraj from class 8. Today is 14 November, and I am here to present today's news updates. Let's begin with the headlines. Sadguru Public School Aligarh organizes a week-long series of competitions including writing, essay writing, college reading, advertisement display, and news reading competition. Nation celebrates the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda Janti Gaurav Divas with great pride and enthusiasm. Indian Railways launches a new eco-friendly train under the Make in India initiative. India secures a thrilling victory in T20 cricket against South Africa. Cool winter breeze sweeps across northern India with pleasant weather conditions. Local school news. Sadguru Public School Aligarh is buzzing with excitement this week as the school organizes a grand interclass literacy and creative fest. The event includes a variety of competitions such as writing competition, essay writing competition, college reading competition, advertisement presentation, news reading competition. The competitions are held on 14 November 2025, providing students an opportunity to display their creativity, expression, and communication skills. Each class from 6 to 12 is participating with great enthusiasm. The aim of these events is to enhance language proficiency, creativity, confidence, and public speaking abilities among students. The principal, Mr. Amit Kushwaha sir, is shared that such co-curricular activities help children explore their hidden talents and develop leadership qualities. The teachers are guiding students in improving their writing style, pronunciation, and presentation. Highlights of the event view. The present and essay writing competition witnessed powerful thoughts and creative ideas on topics like my role in nation building and technology and environment. The college making competition filled the school corridors with color and imagination with themes like India's and acting. The news reading competition held today showcased confidence, fluency and awareness among students as they read real and current news. Winners will be honored with certificates and medals on the annual prize distribution day. The principal appreciated all participants for their hard work and teamwork and encouraged everyone to participate in upcoming events as well. National News Birsa Munda Jayanti Janjati Gaurav Divas. Today the nation celebrates the birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, one of India's most respected tribal freedom fighters. Today, this day, 14 November observed as Janjati Gaurav Divas to honor the tribal community's courage and cultural heritage. Across schools and institution programs are being organized to spread awareness about Birsa Munda's role in India's freedom movement. Government officials and leaders paid tribute and Yudhai village in Jharkhand. His birthday cultural performances, programs and essay competition are being held across India to mark the historic day. International news. The Global Cooperation Summit 2025 was held in Tokyo this week. Leaders from over 100 nations, including India, discussed climate change, sustainable development, and the importance of renewable energy. The summit emphasized reducing pollution, promoting electric vehicles, and investing in clean energy sources like solar and wind power. India's efforts were widely appreciated for its growing renewable capacity and environment policies. Sports news. In cricket, India registered a spectacular victory over South Africa in the second T20 match. India chased down the target of 170 with 5 runs with 5 balls to spare. The player of the match award went to Abhishek Sharma for a brilliant half-century and match-winning performance. The team now leads the series 2-0. Meanwhile, Indian athletes continue preparation for upcoming Asian Athletics Championships, bringing pride to the nation. Weather report. The weather today remains cool and pleasant across most northern states. According to the Meteorological Department, the temperature ranges between 70 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Light fog may appear during early mornings and with wind winds continue throughout the week. Winter has officially begun to set in, bringing a refreshing chill to the air. Clothing. That's all for today's news bulletin. This is Pavni Akbar from Sarkul Kulam Public School, Aligarh, signing off. Thank you and have a bright, creative and joyful day ahead.
Now in the beginning of the program, I would like to call our next participant, Manna from class 8.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Manna Seth from class 8. Here to present today's news bulletin for 14 November 2025. Let's begin with the headlines. Sarkul Kulam Public School, Aligarh celebrates Children's Day with great presence and joy. Nation paid tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. India and Japan sign a new education exchange agreement to promote innovation and learning. India women's hockey team is historical win against New Zealand. Delhi and Northern State experience early winter shower the cool breeze. Local school news. Today the Sarkul Kulam Public School, Aligarh is filled with joy, laughter and bright colors and celebrates Children's Day with games and play. The entire school campus is beautifully decorated with cards, balloons and banners to mark the special occasion. The celebration begins with a special morning assembly followed by an speech added by the principal, Mr. Amit Kushwaha sir, who spoke about the life and values of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a great leader who deeply loved children and believed they are the foundation of a nation's future. Students experienced their excitement and happiness for wonderful performances that reflected creativity and teamwork. Teachers also joined to make the event even more memorable by presenting a special surprise for their students. The principal appreciated the efforts of all the students and staff members for making the daily library and meaningful. The celebration contributed the cheerful environment, smiles all around, and the distribution of sweets and gifts among the students. In national news, Children's Day celebration across India. Across the country, Children's Day is being celebrated mark the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Fondly known as Chacha Nehru, he always believed that children represent the hope, joy and the strength of our nation. Schools and educational institutions across India organize special programs and cultural activities to honor his memory. The Prime Minister and President of India and trade corridors at Chandigarh in New Delhi. New initiatives have also been announced to improve education, health and digital literacy for children nationwide. The day is being observed to remind everyone of the importance of nurturing your mind with love, guidance and education. International news. On the global front, India and Japan have entered a new partnership to promote education and research collaboration among students. The agreement will encourage innovation in fields like science, environment and technology. It will also create opportunities for student exchange programs and virtual learning integrated between schools and universities of both countries. Meanwhile, the United Nations observed World Diabetes Day today to raise awareness about healthy lifestyle and the importance of regular exercise and balanced diet. Sports news. In sports updates, the Indian women's hockey team achieved a remarkable victory of New Zealand in the ongoing International Hockey Championship with by 3 points. The team disciplined play and strong defense were widely appreciated. In cricket, the Indian team continues its participation for the upcoming T20 series against South Africa. Players are focusing on practice season and refining their strategies for better performance in the international arena. Weather report. Today's weather remains pleasant and slightly breeze across northern India. A few light showers and misty morning have brought a refreshing breeze to the day. The temperature in Aliganj ranges 18 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius with a drop expected over the next few days as winter gathering sets in closer. That's all for today's news bulletin. Let's celebrate this day with happiness and curiosity just as Chacha Nehru wanted every child to live. This is Manas here from Satguru Public School, Aliganj, signing off. Thank you and a cheerful and inspiring day ahead.
So, now in the series of program, I would like to call our next performer, Kushi from class 9.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Vishnu Malik from class 9, and I welcome you to today's new bulletin, date 14th November. Let us begin this morning with national headlines presented with confidence. National news. The government of India has announced an advanced smart education that to modernize classrooms and provide digital study resources to students across semi-rural regions. Various states have begun the board examination and graduate support program where schools are conducting revision section and down-clearing workshops for students of class 10 and 12. A new initiative has been launched to encourage skill training and to prepare students for the future employment and competitive opportunities. International news. During the Global Environmental Forum, world leaders are discussing renewable energy, forest conservation, and reducing of plastic waste. Several countries are planning to collaborate and scientifically research renewable energy, forest conservation, and reducing of plastic waste. International peace community have emphasized resolving disputes are dialogue and diplomacy rather than conflict. State news. The State Education Board is planning to upgrade science abilities in government schools to promote practical-based learning. Winter conditions are beginning to set in with cooler winds and lower night temperatures in many regions. Sports news. The Indian cricket team performed remarkably well in recent matches, showcasing excellent teamwork and dedication. State level travels for the national team.
Now it's time to participate our next performance by Anthony.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, my students, and gathered people. I am Anshani, studying class 8. With today's news headlines. First of all, national news to start the day. The Children's Day is being celebrated all over India today on birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Many cultural and educational programs are being organized at schools and colleges. International news. Pakistan has once again performed the humanity, its support to terrorism is going on last night. Two Pakistan citizens were caught on Jammu-Kashmir border trying to enter the EU. Sport news. Recently concluded Australia T20 series was a success for Indian team. India defeated Australia by 2-1 runs. Abhishek Sharma was selected man of the series for his brilliant performance. He was man of the series in Asia Cup. Title will also India beat Pakistan in final. Thank you.
Now in the beginning of program, I would like to call Smita for performing the news.
Good morning, respected manager sir, principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. This is Susmita Yadav bringing you today top headlines. National news. The government has announced a digital initiative aimed at improving online learning access in rural areas. Heavy rainfall continues to last part of Karnataka, Kerala, promoting rescue teams to remain on high alert. International news. World leaders gather in January today for a global climate summit, focusing on cutting carbon emission by 2030. In the United States, the presidential champion heads up as candidates prepare for the final tariff debate. Business news. The stock market opened higher this morning with technology shares leading the gains. Sport news. India scores a thrilling victory against Australia in the T20 series, winning the final match by 5 wickets. Entertainment. The match awarded film Star Origin break box office record on opening weekend. Weather. A pleasant day ahead for most of North India with temperature ranging between 22 and 30 degrees Celsius. Thanks for now. This is Susmita Yadav and you are watching the morning news bulletin. Have a great day ahead. Thanks.
I would like to call our next performer, Kushi from class 9, for presenting advertisement.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम खुशी कुमारी। मैं सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल कक्षा 9 की छात्रा हूँ। मेरा विज्ञापन प्रतियोगिता का विषय है मेक इन इंडिया वोकल फॉर लोकल। विदेशी छोड़ो, स्वदेशी अपनाओ, चाइनीज लैंड की जगह मिट्टी के दिए जलाओ। आजकल बाजार में नई चीजों का, विदेशी चीजों का बसेरा है। उन्हें चुनकर हमें लाना नया सवेरा है। दुकानों पर जाओ, नई विदेशी चीजों को चुनकर लाओ। देश का पैसा देश में लगाओ। क्यों नहीं बोलकर हमको आत्मनिर्भर बनना है। आप भी स्वदेशी सामान चलिए, दूसरों के घर में दिए जलाइए। मेक इन इंडिया वोकल फॉर लोकल। थैंक यू।
क्या रहा तुम्हारे रिजल्ट का? इंग्लिश में 10 मार्क्स, हिंदी में 12 मार्क्स, मैथ में 11 मार्क्स, इतने कम मार्क्स?
पापा मैं क्या करूँ, इसमें पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है। क्या नहीं पढ़ाते हैं और मुझे तो समझ भी नहीं आता है। मुझसे पढ़ने की कोशिश करती हूँ, पढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ और मुझे अपनी जॉब में कोई सजेशन नहीं मिल रहा। आप ही बताइए कि ऐसे स्कूल में एडमिशन कराई ना मेरा हो जाएगा।
क्या करूँ, कोई आसपास ऐसे बढ़िया स्कूल भी तो नहीं है, उसमें एडमिशन करा दूँ।
ऐसा क्या हुआ? आप परेशान लग रहे हो?
क्या बताएं भाई साहब, हर बार हमारी बिटिया का रिजल्ट डाउन पे डाउन करता जा रहा है।
अरे सर, मुझे लग रहा है आपको पता नहीं है, अपने एरिया में एक न्यू स्कूल ओपन हुआ है, सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल। वहाँ का स्टाफ मेंबर हूँ एंड मैं आपको वहाँ की फैसिलिटीज के बारे में बताता हूँ। वहाँ स्टूडेंट को मिलती है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन विद गाइडेंस मिलती है आपको एंड वेल क्वालिफाइड एंड एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज के साथ। और वहाँ आपके जो स्टूडेंट है उसके एकेडमिक पे फोकस तो होता ही है, उसके साथ साथ नॉन एकेडमिक पर भी फोकस किया जाता है जिससे बच्चे का पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट हो सके। एंड वहाँ आपको स्पोर्ट फैसिलिटीज भी मिलती हैं जिससे अगर बच्चे का कोई इंटरेस्ट है कोई स्पोर्ट्स में जाने का तो वो उसको भी उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है। और अच्छे एंड
सारी टेंशन जाओगे भूल जब आओगे सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल। वेलकम टू सदगुरुकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल।
ओके, कैसे स्टार्ट?
Hello everyone, I am Akshara.
I am Navya
From class 9. Today we are here
to launch our new product.
Mathematics Curso It gives us natural skin because it is made up of natural nutrients such as besan, aloe vera, neem and milk also.
Do you know why my skin glows so much and why I always smell so good?
Even after the play and workout, due to its my magical soap, it kills all the germs from my body and disease also.
All the skin problem and get soft and glowing skin. So what are you waiting for? Glow and soft skin. For 51 rupees. For 51 rupees price increase. Knock price increase.
Met my magical soap, you will like it always. You will like it always. Use it every day, keeps the germs away. Thank you.